What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Okay, so the last time I changed the camshaft, the solenoids, I'll let you know what happened. I'm still waiting for that cold weather and that cold start, and we'll see if it's gonna come on or not, and we'll go from there. But this video, I'm gonna let you know what I have done so far. You know, for some people, you guys been watching me since the beginning, and you know, but for some people they don't. And if you drive Audi, or maybe you have RS5 like this one, and you know you want to do the maintenance, you want to change and fix stuff, I'll let you know in this video what I have done so far. So let's go. All right, first thing, if you do this, just do it on your own. You know, don't blame me for anything. This video I made just, you know, what I did for myself, but you know, you can watch it if it's gonna help you. But anyway, the first thing I did, it was the oil change. I did oil change. I have that video, I'm gonna post it on the screen. And I did first time 0-30, and the second time I did 5-40. Honestly, I don't see any difference, and you know, you can't really feel any difference in the engine. But anyway, the second thing is I have the video of changing the brake pads. First, I did the front ones. I didn't record that. I only record the rear ones, but the front ones are easy. All you have to do is just push those cylinders back. End of story. But the rear ones, it's a little bit harder because you need to twist them and push them. So make sure if you change rear brake pads, go get that tool that's gonna help you, you know, spin and push the cylinder back in. I did the old way with the screwdriver and the pliers and it took me like 6 hours, but you know, the job is done. Anyway, second thing, what else? Let me see. Okay, we changed the air filters. That's easy. It's just a few screws. I have air filters and the spark plugs. I have that video also. You can go back and watch it if you need it. What else? Oh yeah, the last thing I did, it was we changed the camshaft position solenoids. You know, if you get that a light that says do not exceed 6,000 whatever 4,000 RPM, you know, slow response on the camshaft position and stuff like that, you can go and watch the video and see if that's gonna help you or not. You know, it could be 1,000 things, but it could be also that too. So anyway, that's all I have done so far. I'm not a mechanic, I'm not a professional, I'm learning as I go, and you know, kind of makes you feel better. Actually makes you feel good, you know, after you fix something and you didn't know that you can. That's the situation with me, you know what I mean? I'm not like professional, it's just like, you know, whatever, let's get it done. But anyway, all right, now the next thing I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the transmission mount. Somebody told me if you have that small kicks, you know, when you stop, when you take off, you should, you know, get a new transmission mount. It's pretty easy. I think it's only screw on the two screws on the bottom. And I was looking for the black badging, black Audi signs, and I called the Audi dealership and they told me they don't have the black ones for this RS5. So I think I'm gonna go online and order something. I already searched for it, and the only place you can find it's at eBay. Man, I don't know if you know how I feel getting the badges from the eBay. You know, I don't want to get anything cheap. I want to get the good quality ones. If anybody knows where I can get those black badges for this RS5, can you leave the comment and let me know? Because the next video, or maybe the video after that, I want to, you know, change the signs and the badges on this car. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.